In this video I want to show you how you can install concrete blocks retaining wall for the garden bed. This is not retaining that much soil, just it's a face. I'm built 3 courses, 600 height, easy to sit through the garden in the backyard. First I installed and set the line to find where we should lay the blocks, and also we need to level some under, remove the existing grasses. Weed killer sprayed before and all died, just need to be clean up the line all through. I set the first course line for the first course, put 1, and then you can measure how high should be or how level it. I set that corner and then I check by the line level in the other side to be all in the same level. But now we need to clean under and going through. Just make sure this is not a retaining wall, this is the garden bed wall actually, to holding the soil. I leave 600 behind the wall to be enough space to planting some shrubs and maybe a tree. Guys, this is the second day we back and we continue to laying the second course on top of the existing one. Now we following the brick pattern. I cut corner in a half and then full block going all through, and all will lock together. This is a Versa wall, it's a in lock blocks. You can check the lock in the side. It will be locked to the top block, and also the all block will lock it together. It's very strong retaining wall. If you do the first course level and following the line, it's just easy to lay the other courses on top of it. It's a heavy block, it's a compacted concrete, and this is a charcoal color. So I will use the liquid nail to set the first one, because I cut the locks to be sit. The corners are different. Sometimes you need to cut the dent on top of the corners to fit and sit perfectly. I will glue that because don't have a lock, and then continue the all blocks on top of it. Just clean by the brush, move any material on top of it, clean, and then put and check the lock going through like a Lego box. Good morning guys, we're back to the job and we're continuing to fill up the blocks by the blue metal. This is a 10 mil blue metal. It's easy to going through the all holes and fill up the space between two sides of the block. Then I need to clean it. Just careful not filling up that too much to the end. Need some space for the cap setting. And also the second one, I need to cut all dents on the top course, and the cap sitting on the actual blocks, not on the dent. You have to take this off. Use glasses, chisel and hammer to cut it, and broken down to glue the caps. Guys, to finish the wall caps, we have to glue the cap one to the block. I'm starting from this corner and then going to the end in one level. First I clean all top and also the dot glue, use it, and then install the caps. That's a liquid nail I'm using. It's not bad to hold it, but it's, if you need to take it off, that should be fine. So guys, in the front yard we continuing to build the garden edge by the same blocks. It's coming 2 course, and this is 3 course. I will install the letterbox inside of the concrete blocks wall. Also we're continuing the line to close the boundary to the fence. First set the line, check the heights and going level, then laying the each blocks, locking together, going all through for the first course, waiting 1 day, and then we lay other courses day after. So guys, job completed, the capping and retaining wall built. We fill back by the garden mix soil, planting and mulch on top. As you can see, going through is a 2 course, and then a step up another course, 3 course going that way. And also for the corner we cut in the 45 degree and then going to the site. That's a nice strong wall. It looks good to the garden. Thank you for watching us, and please like and share our video to support our team to make another video and adding more detail. Thank you. See you in the next job.